Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, August 22nd, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto exchange. And as you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart together with the RSI indicator and the moving averages. So the first thing is that we broke below this local technical support that the market has been holding to, which was located at 28,800. Okay, so we broke below it, broke below 100 periods moving average, below 200 periods moving average, and we made a low very far away from the level of 28,800 at 25,830. So this is our local technical support. Let's just mark it here. And since then, of course, the market tried to bounce, but this bounce wasn't actually really deep. More likely, this is the very short period of the consolidation, and it looks like the market wants to test one more level here. This level is 24,900, and this is, of course, the technical support for the price. So we might see very soon some sort of the attempt to move towards this level as well. We can set our very tiny range, 24,900, 25,224. This is the technical support levels and technical demand zone that needs to be protected by the bulls, because any breakout below this zone would likely expose the level of 19,709. This is the level of the particular interest for the bears in the long term. The RSI, as you can see, has hit the extremely oversold levels, 20 points only. So this is sort of the movement to the downside hasn't happened since, there you go, this is the last time when it happens, 17th of the June 2022. So it's more than a year ago. And as you can see, when we done this kind of a very deep sell-off here to the downside, the market tried to bounce. It bounced roughly 20% or something like this, as far as I'm concerned. So from here to here is okay. It's way than this. It's 40%. It took apparently some time, of course. Roughly 2 months for the market to recover, but then of course the downtrend continues. So right now we are in the same situation momentum wise. So the market is right now roughly around the level of 20, and with this sold out, extremely sold out, oversold conditions, there is a chance for a bounce. Nevertheless, for this market to bounce towards 28,800, there's a long way up, basically, but it still can happen. How much we lost during this recent movement to the downside? Almost, well, a little bit over 18%. Is this still the biggest correction that we witnessed during the last swing low on the Bitcoin? No, this one is 22%. And this one from the that's the April high, is 17.72%. So that's nothing new here. This kind of the range of the correction on the Bitcoin. So we shouldn't be especially surprised as a traders, because we've seen this before. So there is a pretty good chance for this market to at least recover towards the 28,800. It's a long way up, but it doesn't mean the bulls cannot do it. So please keep an eye on the demand zone, on the two technical horizontal support zones, support levels here, because they are the key for the further movement to the upside, or at least for a pullback, or maybe some kind of an upward correction on the Bitcoin to the Tether market on a daily time frame chart. In the next few days, maybe even more, like 2 weeks or something like that. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.